Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. I Ashis Roy, German tutor from Jadavpur, Kolkata, India. I have created this German language tutorial channel for students, professionals, any person of any age willing to learn German. Any person wants to learn German as extra curriculum or hobby can see my videos. I request to the viewers at first to be acquainted with German nouns, verbs and expression. Later, I will explain the grammar step by step. So let us start with alphabets, pronunciation and example words. Dear viewers, let us start. Unterricht 1, Class 1. Das Alphabet, die Aussprache, das Beispielwort. Now please repeat with me. Das Alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Again I repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A for der Abend, evening. B for der Bahnhof, railway station. C for die Chemie, chemistry. D for das Deutsch, German. A for die Einladung, invitation. F for die Frage, question. G for das Gemüse, vegetable. H for die Hilfe, help. E for the idea. Now again I repeat. Das Alphabet, die Aussprache, pronunciation, das Beispielwort. Das Alphabet, die Aussprache, pronunciation, das Beispielwort, example word. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A for der Abend, evening. B for der Bahnhof, railway station. C for die Chemie, chemistry. D for das Deutsch, German. A for die Einladung, invitation. F for die Frage, question. G for das Gemüse, vegetable. H for die Hilfe, help. E for die idea. Yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Again I repeat, please repeat with me. Yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Yacht for das Ear, K for das Krankenhaus, hospital. L for die Luft, air. M for der Morgen, morning. N for die Nacht, night. O for das Obst, fruit. P for das Papier, paper. Q for die Qualität, quality. R for der Regenschirm, umbrella. S for der Spiegel, mirror. T for der Tag, day. Again I repeat, please repeat with me. Yet for das Ear, K for das Krankenhaus, Hospital, L for die Luft, Air, M for der Morgen, Morning, N for die Nacht, Night, O for das Obst, Fruit, P for das Papier, Paper, Q for die Qualität, Quality, R for der Regenschirm, Umbrella, S for der Spiegel, Mirror, T for der Tag, Day. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Umlaut A, Umlaut O, Umlaut U, double S. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Umlaut A, Umlaut O, Umlaut U, double S. U for der Unterschied, difference. V for der Verkäufer, salesman. W for die Wohnung, apartment. X for die Xerocopy, Xerox copy. Y for das Yoga, Yoga. Z for die Zeitung, newspaper. Umlaut for die Äpfel, apples. Umlaut for das Öl, oil. Umlaut for die Übung, exercise of grammar. Double S, der Fuß, foot of legs. Now again I repeat, please repeat with me. U for der Unterschied, V for der Verkäufer, W for die Wohnung, X for die Xerocopy, Y for das Yoga, Z for die Zeitung, Umlaut for die Äpfel, Umlaut for das Öl, Umlaut for die Übung, double S for der Fuß. Now, das Genus, gender, that is gender of noun. In German there are three types of gender: masculine, feminine, neuter. These are masculine nouns, these are feminine nouns, and these are neuter nouns. In English, masculine, in feminine and neuter. Now masculine nouns having article der Abend, evening, der Bahnhof, railway station, der Morgen, morning, der Regenschirm, umbrella, der Spiegel, mirror, der Tag, day, der Unterschied, difference, der Verkäufer, salesman, der Fuß, foot of our leg, der Unterricht, class. Now again I repeat, der Abend, evening, der Bahnhof, railway station, der Morgen, morning, der Regenschirm, umbrella, der Spiegel, mirror, der Tag, day, der Unterschied, difference, der Verkäufer, salesman, der Fuß, foot of our leg, der Unterricht, class. Now feminine nouns having article D. Die Chemie, chemistry, die Einladung, invitation, die Frage, question, die Hilfe, help, die Idee, idea, die Luft, air, die Nacht, night, die Qualität, quality, die Wohnung, apartment, die Zeitung, newspaper, die Übung, exercise of grammar. Now, die Chemie, die Einladung, die Frage, die Hilfe, die Idee, die Luft, die Nacht, die Qualität, die Wohnung, die Zeitung, die Übung. Now here are neuter gender nouns. In German it is called neuter. Having article das. Das Beispiel, example, das Deutsch, German, das Gemüse, vegetables, das Krankenhaus, hospital, das Obst, fruit, das Papier, paper, das Yoga, yoga, das Öl, oil, das ear, das house. Now these are all singular nouns. Later I will discuss the plural forms. Das ist alles für heute. That's all for today. Now gestern, heute, morgen, übermorgen. Gestern yesterday, heute today, morgen tomorrow, übermorgen day after tomorrow. Gestern, heute, morgen, übermorgen. Now important points are, in German all nouns shall be written in capital letter. The two dots is called their umlaut. In umlaut, a stress in pronunciation is given. So I request all viewers at first to be familiar with the fundamental terms, sentences and expression used in German in order to build a proper foundation. I will explain the grammar in a step-by-step basis in my following or upcoming videos. In Unterricht 2, that is in class 2, I will discuss the gender of nouns. So thank you. So dear viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in the right side to get the upcoming videos. Any problem or any doubt arising may write in the comment box. I will explain and answer accordingly. In the next video, I will discuss about gender of nouns. Thank you.